Before we get started, I want to be clear. Everything on this channel is for informational and personal growth purposes only. Nothing here should be considered financial advice. The stock market continues pushing higher, and honestly, the momentum has surprised a lot of people. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ just hit fresh all-time highs. The volatility index continues to gradually descend, and optimism regarding geopolitical tensions with Iran are cooling off. Whether you are an options trader, day trader, or a stock and ETF trader, this video is for you. My name is Garrett Crow. I am a finance major at Washington State University and an active stock and ETF trader. In 2025, my portfolio had an annual ROI of 49%. When I first started my portfolio, I made it my goal to grow it to 7 figures. So if you do want to follow me on my 7-figure journey, make sure to subscribe. Additionally, for daily short form stock analysis content, make sure you check out my TikTok and or Instagram. In today's video, I will be providing you guys a brief portfolio update. I will be discussing the VIX, and we will conclude with QQQ. Let's dive in. First, let's start off with my realized gain loss so far in the month of May. Now, my realized gain is about $25, and my realized loss is 0. Now, so far in the month, I really haven't closed out many trades. The one trade I did close out was 2 shares of iron at about a 26% ROI. Now, with iron, I did only sell 2 shares, but it is still one of the biggest positions in my portfolio, sitting at about 10%. Now, I am still looking to sell more shares of iron because I am at such a profit right now. I'm looking to exit some shares around that $65 range, which I believe would be about a 35% ROI. Some other stocks in the portfolio I am looking to sell at a profit sometime within the next week or 2 weeks is Tesla and FCX. If you're unfamiliar with FCX, it's like a copper mining company. But overall, I'm less focused on aggressively buying new stocks or adding new positions to the portfolio. And instead, I am really dialing in on managing the stocks I already have. Second, let's talk about the VIX. As of the close this past Friday, the VIX was priced at $17.19, indicating there is still slight fear in the market, despite the fact the S&P 500 and NASDAQ, and shoot, even QQQ are all reaching all-time highs. Now, based on my strategy, this indicates that the market still has room to push higher. Now, many investors are, waiting for the dip, and it should go without saying the dip will come. It's just a matter of when. I believe the market can push higher next week and maybe even the week after that, simply because of where the volatility index is priced. Personally, when the VIX breaches that $15 range, that is when I am anticipating a slight pullback. Now, when we reach that $15 range, that is when I will clear up some of my positions, sell some of my holdings at a profit, and really get more cash on the sidelines to take advantage of any opportunities that may present themselves. Third, let's talk about QQQ. Now, QQQ is trading above $700, which is, with all honesty, significantly higher than I was anticipating. So if you're unfamiliar with QQQ, it is essentially like the tech ETF, and the main driver behind this stock market run has been tech. It's been the AI space, it's been the tech space. Over the past month, I believe every 2 out of 3 trading days, QQQ has finished in the green. And when QQQ has been finishing in the red, the loss has been quite minor. Now, it's important to note, bullish runs like this, if history repeats itself, never last forever. But Tech has been super strong. AI companies have been super strong. So keeping an eye on QQQ, I believe, is beneficial for all investors. In conclusion, I haven't closed many positions so far in the month of May, but I'm looking to sell some shares of IRIN, Tesla, and FCX. While the S&P 500 and NASDAQ just breached all-time highs this past Friday, there's still slight fear in the market. I want to show my appreciation to the ones who made it to the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, comment down below abstract wall, and I'll make sure to like your comment. If you do want to follow me on my 7-figure journey, make sure to subscribe. And for daily short form stock analysis content, check out my TikTok and or Instagram. I hope you all have an absolutely amazing rest of your day. Thank you.